All right, let me dive in, shall we? Toning. Everybody wants to know about toning.
It's a hot topic, that's for sure.
Yeah, and I think we've all got that one friend who seems to have it all figured out.
The ones that make it look effortless, right?
Exactly. Well, we're here to demystify toning. No more secrets. We're going deep into a text, exercises to tone every inch of your body to get you the knowledge you need.
It's like a blueprint for a full body transformation.
And from what I've seen, this isn't about spending hours at the gym. It's about efficiency. Working smarter, not necessarily harder.
Yeah, you hit the nail on the head there. It's about quality over quantity, choosing the right exercises, really mastering the form.
So where do we start?
I'd say the foundation is compound exercises,
Well-
squats, deadlifts, push-ups. Those are the big ones.
Those are the ones I always hear about, but can you break those down a little bit more? Like why those for toning?
Well, they're what we call multi-joint movements, right? So instead of just working one muscle, like a bicep curl would, a squat hits your quads, glutes, hamstrings. Even your core gets in on the action.
So it's like multitasking for your muscles.
Exactly. More bang for your buck, like you said.
I'm all about that. I love the idea of efficiency. Are there any other benefits besides saving time?
Absolutely. They're also great for calorie burn because you're using more energy to power those big movements.
Oh, that makes sense.
Plus, using those larger muscle groups triggers a bigger hormonal response, which helps with muscle growth and getting stronger overall.
Wow. I never really thought about it that way. It's amazing how much is going on behind the scenes with those exercises.
Yeah.
But what about the smaller muscles, though? I mean, those are important for that sculpted look, too, right?
Right. And that's where the isolation exercises come in. Things like bicep curls, tricep extensions, calf raises, they target specific areas.
So it's like fine-tuning then.
Exactly. It's adding that extra definition, polishing things up.
So you need both.
It depends. Some people do great with just those compound movements. But if there's a particular area you want to focus on, then yeah, the isolation exercises are great for that.
I see. So far, we've only talked about strength training. What about cardio? I feel like that plays a big role in toning, too.
Oh, absolutely. You can't forget about cardio. Think of it as the fuel for your toning engine.
I like that. So how does it fit into the equation?
Well, things like running, swimming, cycling, those all get your heart rate up. They help you burn calories and improve your cardiovascular health.
So you're saying strength training builds the muscle and cardio helps reveal it.
You got it. And this is something the text really emphasizes. It's not about how much weight you can lift. It's about doing the exercise correctly. Perfect form every time.
Yeah, form is key. But honestly, I sometimes struggle with that. How do I know if my form is right? Do you have any tips for our listeners?
Absolutely. A lot of it is about body awareness. Let's take squats as an example. A common mistake is letting your knees cave in. You want to push them out, keep them aligned with your toes.
Oh, I do that. I'm guilty of that.
It's a very common mistake. It's all about being mindful. Engage your core, keep your back straight, and control the movement.
Got it. Form over weight. What about how often we should be doing these workouts?
That's another great point the text brings up. Consistency is more important than intensity.
What do you mean by that?
It means you don't have to kill yourself in the gym every single day. It's more about creating a routine you can actually stick with. Aim for 3 strength training sessions a week with rest days in between.
That's good news. I'm all about sustainability.
Yeah.
So we've got the exercises, we're focusing on form, we're being consistent. Anything else we need to know?
Well, you can't forget about nutrition.
Oh, right, of course. Food is fuel.
Exactly. Protein is especially important for muscle repair and growth. Make sure you're getting enough of that. And don't underestimate rest and recovery.
So sleep is crucial too, right?
Absolutely. Sleep is when your muscles rebuild. Give your body the time it needs to recover.
It sounds like toning is more than just a workout routine. It's a whole lifestyle shift.
I'd agree with that. It's a commitment to yourself and your well-being.
So there you have it, folks. The path to a toned physique broken down.
Remember, it's about consistency, proper form, and nourishing your body.
Now we want to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to stay active? And how can you incorporate what we've talked about today into your routine? Think about that. And until next time, keep moving.